Introducing the DCTEC G40-30S12 Power Supply, a compact and reliable industrial power supply, designed to deliver stable DC power for electronic and automation applications. This unit supports 100 to 240 volts AC input, 47 to 63 Hz frequency, and provides 12 volts DC output up to 3.3 amps, with a rated power of 40 watts. The G40-30S12 is suitable for control panels, machine electronics, industrial equipment, marine systems, and replacement power supply requirements. It helps provide consistent power to connected components, supporting smooth operation and reducing downtime in demanding environments.